welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to delete Roblox account. So for that, open a Google browser in your PC and then click on new tab. There on the search bar you type in roblox.com and press enter. The first thing you need to do is you need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, you need to click on the setting over here at the top right. Click on setting, then click on setting again. This will direct you to the setting piece of your Roblox account. Now once you're at the setting page, you scroll down and you need to click on help over here. You cannot delete a Roblox account by clicking on delete account. In this, you will have to contact the customer support of Roblox, as there is no dedicated way of deleting your account through the account or user page like this. So once you're at this page, here you scroll down and you need to redirect this page to contact us. Click on contact us. A new page will open where you will need to open the customer support form for contacting customer support. Click on the support form over here. Click that. After clicking on that link, a customer support form should open in separate tab. You will need to enter the details in the form to contact support regarding the deletion of your account over here. Type in all the details. Type in your first name. Type in the email address. Confirm the email address. Then you need to select the issue details. Click on the drop down menu and from there you will have to choose the option which device are you having problem on. So here you choose the option PC. Type of help category, click that. This is a very important point to notice that there is no direct choice for deleting your account. So you will have to choose the category of billing and payments. And under the subcategory, you will need to choose the cancel membership. Tap that. Lastly, under the description, tell the customer support that you would like to delete your account and thank them for your support. Type in over here and then you need to lastly click on submit. Go through some verification over here. Click on verify. Thank you for contacting Roblox. After a few days, a member of customer support will contact you with further instruction and details. Note that you might have to verify your account before deleting it. So you might need to provide some additional details to complete the process. So this is how you will be able to delete your Roblox account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you.